What is this thing? You have a pair of W221s. This is bad. This is really, really bad. I am surrounded by very cool cars and trucks. Do you know where I am? You do, absolutely, yeah. This is Copart, you know, because of the huge tankers over there and the very cool cars in front of me and to my left and to my right and even behind me. So we are looking for something fun to add to the channel. I don't know, there's all kinds of interesting vehicles out here. So let's wander around and see what we see. Well, I see something that could be interesting. Do you see what I see? Is it the Mercedes or the Mercedes or this old Buick? What is this? Oh, wow. Look at that from the 70s. What is this thing? Look at that. Look at the damage though. And if this bumper got bent, being as big and chrome and heavy, that's a pretty, that thing is huge. Okay, we have a little issue on the front. This is a Buick LeSabre from 1971. Oh my goodness, my grandma had a green, what did she have? A green Pontiac Catalina from the 70s? And then her sister had a green, I don't know what it was. They just loved this color green with the green interior. So let's just kind of see what is, I'm not really interested in this. I just want to see what it's like. Yep, look at that green. Look at that. That's something. And this, in case you're new, this rolls down your window, everybody. Yeah, not all cars have those fancy electric windows that you have today. You used to have to reach all the way across the car to roll down the passenger window when it got hot inside. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, this has not been well maintained. Look at this. Look at the teeny steering wheel with the tiny rim around it. Here you go, 120 miles per hour on the odometer. You got the Sonomatic, AM radio, ashtray, someone's been messing around with. Oh my goodness, this is so funny. This is crazy. There's your lights, your high beam. Remember hitting the high beam and low beam with your selector there on the floor? Let's see what the hood pull will do. Oh my goodness, we have huge wasps. Oh gosh, there's all kinds of dead bugs in this thing, I bet you. I bet so. Under the hood, it's gonna be V8, right? Just as big as can be. I don't know anything about these. They've tried some repainting, did not go well. Jiminy Christmas, this thing weighs a freaking ton. Holy moly. Woo! Okay, look at that. It's a 350, 4-barrel carburetor. Oh my goodness, Buick Motor Division. You think she'd run? There's your heater box right there. Lots of cobwebs. You got the Duralast battery. Huh, it looks like the distributor has been replaced at some point in its, I don't know, 53-year life? This car is 53 years old. Did the math in the head. I'm pretty good at that sometimes. Wow. Spoke rims. So cool. Are there keys in here? Because I really want to try this. I don't think I see a key. Give me a key. No! No keys. No keys at all. Nope. Nope. Under here. Nope. Well, shoot. And there wasn't one under here. It's where I used to hide it back in the day. But everybody knew where it was. Okay. So we can't do anything. But then I better admire its beauty. Or what once was beautiful. Look at that quality. Look at that. We do have a lot of rust issues right here. This is kind of fancy. Holy moly. Yeah, she's been sitting forever. She's had a for sale sign on her for decades, I bet you. 0880. Yeah. All right, Buick. Well, it was fun, but not fun enough. Look what I found in front of her. Look at this. You have a pair of W221s. This is the S500. This is the S400 Hybrid with a super expensive battery if it goes bad. And if the starter goes bad, it's not a regular starter. It's included in part of the hybrid system. Yeah, so anyway, which one you want to see first? Well, this one has damage. Let's go up here and see this one. Also has a biohazard. How serious? So it bumped into something. Get yourself a bumper and a grill? That's easily fixable. You have some suspension damage too. You have the nice panoramic roof. Oh, Mikey likes. Let's see what it's like on the inside. Ooh. Oh, somebody smoked a lot. Oh, that's like a cigar smell too. Whoa, where's the biohazard? Is it mold? I don't know. This has not been well taken care of either. What is this thing? It's a bedpost. Okay. Let's look at this very quickly. Exploratory art class. Okay, so maybe an artist owned this. I would think an artist would take better care. Maybe she was a pencil drawing artiste. Wow. Well, I close the door and smoke or dust just kind of. This is bad. This is really, really bad. Oh my goodness. So, but look at the roof. Look how cool this is. Look at that. Sweet. Very nice. This thing's going to be cheap too. But get a hood. Not a hood, get a bumper. And you should be good. Let's see if we can do something about that. Unfortunately, I cannot release the hood. There's your door pull. Okay, the red latch right there. And it's just not releasing. Something in the accident is preventing that from releasing the two latch points right under here. So I can't get in to look at the engine. I can't get in to look at the battery. I can't get in because they're way over here. So with that being said, what is this, a 2012 Mercedes S550. It's going to go away, and the S400 Hybrid with different rims and also with suspension problems is coming to the channel. Look at this. No, not my. Look at the tread. That's a good sign. Wow, this is a 2012, same year. You got a little dent and some scratching right here. Scratch, scratch, scratch. I don't see anything else though. Do you? Nope. What kind of tires are these things? Uniroyal Power Paw. Huh, okay, well, a lot of cracks in the windshield. Whoa, a lot of cracks. But this is the brown interior, so you get the silver exterior, and it's not black like most other cars. You ready? It's brown. And someone has taken the start button out once again. I'm sure this has been turned as well. See? Same thing on the other car from the other video. They do this so the battery discharges, which is too bad. That's really, really sad. Let's just kind of see if we got any. No, she's dead as can be. Well, let's see if I can fix that. This has a much better smell than the other one. This has been well maintained. The problem though, once again, if it's the starter or like if your power steering goes out or your alternator goes out, that is all part of the hybrid system. And it's a pain to get into. So there is a company back east, I believe, and they kind of specialize in taking out this hybrid engine and the transmission, and they put in a transmission and an engine from a Mercedes, like an E350. Okay, it's very similar to this. I mean, this is a V6 as well. Okay, but it doesn't have the whole hybrid system with the weird starter and all that kind of stuff, which lies back here, because it's a major ordeal. And if the starter does go, then yeah, you're up a creek. That looks really complicated because it's not a normal starter. So let's see if we can do something to this one. I just don't know. Wow. So in place of a battery, you get this thing. So, holy moly. Holy guacamole. Yeah, I don't think we can do anything. Well, let's just see what happens. Well, let's see if we got any power. We do have something. All right, now we're talking 140,000 miles. Nothing. See owner's manual. Yeah, it won't even try. It won't even try to do anything. Okay, yeah, we have the battery malfunction. That's a good looking instrument cluster though, inoperative. See operator's manual, ABS, traction control. Service E. I know A and B. E, that's a whole new ball of wax. Yeah, she's not going to do anything for us. Well, okay, doggone it. Such high hopes for this, but I wanted one of these, and then I've done the research on them and the whole start and stop, when you come to a stoplight, that's a big pain. Everybody hates that. I don't even know if you can override it or not. You have the problem with the battery that is a several $1,000 battery. You have the starter problem, power steering, alternator, something goes wrong. It's all tied into the hybrid system, and that's why that company exists. They do have WeatherTech floor mats and a Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Oh man, maybe we should listen to that. On? No, it's not even coming on. We haven't done enough to charge anything. Okay, well, I think that's gonna do it for this video, everybody. I really wanted high hopes for this one, but she's way too far gone, and I'm not that versed in the hybrid way of life, okay? So I kind of struck out in this video, didn't I? I think I did. Anyway, that's all right. We'll find some more cars for us. We'll find some cars for you in case you need something to tool around town in, so please continue watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'm back with another video very, very soon. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I mean that. Bye-bye.